Good morning, students. So today we have the class of Financial Management 2.7 for the second year BBA. We have just started the unit 1, and last classes we have discussed about the concept of the capital budgeting. Okay, students, we have discussed about how the capital is very essential to the organizations. It is just a lifeblood of lifeblood for a living being. It is also the life or the lifeblood for the organization also. We have also discussed how the capital and the definition of we have discussed that the link. So the planning and the development available for the capital use, the capital bringing of the capital into the organization, and the use of the capital in the organization. It is related to that of the financial management, and the financial manager play an important role in efficient way how to use the capital in the organization. Okay. So after discuss concept of in the last class about the capital budgeting. So let us today discuss about what the need and importance of the capital budget. Why we need. My dear students, so today's topic is that why we need capital budgeting, or that is we have to discuss about the need and the importance of the capital budget. Students, we know that the capital budgeting means the planning of capital asset, the planning of capital assets. It is a vital role played by the organizations, that is to take the decision on the investment decision, okay, and another the financing decision. It is a very playing a significant role, that is in the case of the financial budgeting, or that is the capital budgeting. What do you mean by it? We have to see that in the case of the investment decision, we have to see that is where the funds should be invested, either whether it is reliable to investment or it may not be. That is, should be born in our mind. We have to know, that is, where the capital should be invested properly. And who wants, where the sector, that is, the company is going to invest, which is very, very important. Because investing capital means they have that in mind that to burn profit. No one can ignore these things. For general purpose, why we are spending our money? To bring out our own satisfaction. Similarly, the organization is also what? That is investing the capital in order to generate more and more, that is capital. Capital is capital, remember it. Generating or investment the capital, investment the money and bringing out the same money, excess money, the extra money, that is, and whether the company should know about it, that is why, whether or not the funds should be invested or not, either it should be in the long-term project or for any other projects. For the long-term project means, we can say that is the setting of the industries, whether the purchase of plant and machinery and any other purposes. That is the one thing, investment decision we have to discuss it. And another, the capital budgeting is also related to the what? That is creating additional approaches or the capacities. What? For expansion of the business. They have in their mind, the owner or the company management, they have always in their mind how to develop their organizations, how to expand their business organizations, how to expand the plants, how to expand their industries, one industry and after another industries, one sector, one project and another project. No one will stick in one project, no one will stick in one business. The main purpose is that is to invest the capital or to invest the money in order to expand their own business, as well as that is they have to decide that is what happened, whether it should be a long-term project or the short-term project. So another, in order for the expansions of the business or for creating additional capacities, they have to decide whether replacement of the permanent asset or not. They have to decide it. Because replacement cost is also included or it is also in the capital budgeting. आज अगर पुराना साइकिल में अगर जाएंगे या पुराना कुछ व्हीकल लेकर जाएंगे, हमें पता है that it should be what happened, that is wanting that it depreciated more. The value of the machine is totally gone out, where the production will be hampered, the inflow, cash inflow will be hampered. So better we have to decide that is whether the any plant and machinery or whatever may be, it should be replaceable or not. And for that purpose also the company or the organizations is also required money or the capital. So it should be a replacement cost must be there. And another, we have to analysis the regarding investment should be best alternative that is proposed or that is the proposals must be there. We should not stick in one investment decisions. Sir, there are many investment decisions are there, which is very at the present, which is very important. There you have to investment it, and you have to find that is will get the return or not. That you have to also see it. Unless we will not go to that of the analysis the project or analysis our investment proposal, then we will not a good efficient that is manager or financial expert that is in investing the capitals. So this is the what happened, that is the three things we have to highlight it here. One is what happened, we have to first see that is either it should be a long-term project or not, the investment should be made for the long-term project or not, that we have to decide, and we have to analysis that is what happened, whatever the capital is there, it is for expansion of the business or not, that we have to see, and whether we have to see that is whether the replacement of asset must be there or not, we have to see it, because in all these categories we have to find that is the capital investment. Okay, so for this purpose we have to niche that is very crucial things into our mind. You have to highlight, or you have to see the focus on every details, whether that is a single pie is investment of the single pie is relevant for the organization. Okay, my dear students, let us see that is how we have to study that is the importance of the capital budgeting. In what category why we are investment that is understood. We have to fact that is our decisions is not wrong, because as a financial expert, as a financial manager, you have to know that is my decisions on investment of the capital should not be a wrong flow. Okay, so it should be a what happened, the need, the significant, the importance of the capital budgeting is how for the organization we have to discuss it. Okay, so first one, so it is first category involves large investment funds so one thing, the capital budgeting, because when we are going to set up a factory or plant or industry, it is not a that is small organization or sole proprietor business. Small amount be required because many large amount of investment required. So it is we have to plan that is it good to investment that one? So we have to say that is what happened. We have to see that the large investment of funds is essential or not. That we have to find it. Okay, and you have to plan for the controlling of the capital expenditure. That we have to mind it, because business मनी कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के बाद पीछे नहीं हट पाएंगे, या उसे सेटअप को बीच में रखकर नहीं हट पाएंगे. हमें कंट्रोल करना है, कंट्रोल का कैपेसिटी हमारे पास होना है. सो लार्ज इन्वेस्टमेंट जब फंड में कर रहे हैं, हमें वही भी सोचना चाहिए, आर वी विल कंट्रोल द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर where we have invested large amount of money, that we have to see. And another, it is a what happened required that is the large amount of funds, either it is a temporary basis or the permanent basis. My dear students, listen here, when we are starting up a factory, we are not for the temporary basis. ये क्या चना बेचने वाला बिजनेस है क्या, आज यहीं पे कल वहीं पे नहीं. यहाँ पे हमें लार्ज इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है, मतलब इट शुड बी ए परमानेंट बेसिस. इट शुड नॉट बी ए 1 year or 2 year project. It is not a project I am telling. It is a what long term basis you have to require for the large. That is when you are investing a large amount of money, so many functions are to be carried out. Production, supply, then marketing, finance, everything are there. Large amount of employees will be generated, and large that is money will be generated from that organization. We have to see it, and we cannot ignore that is a temporary. It should be a permanent basis. we cannot ignore the time factor. Time factor is very, very important when we are investing the money. By investing the money on the long-term project, so on the permanent basis, we have what? That we will get a consolidated amount which will be satisfied for the expansion of the project or the company's growth. Okay, and there is also one thing we should remember, that the financial risk must be there, and we have to try to avoid what the financial risk is also there. We have to find it, because at any cost, we have to avoid the financial risk whatever we have. We have to find the every steps by controlling the risk, because जैसे एक फिल्म आता है, लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दे आर स्पेंडिंग, क्या बीच में रोकने से क्या होता है? दैट इज द अमाउंट इज गोइंग ब्लॉक। हियर हमें वो नहीं कर पाएंगे। जितना भी रिस्क है उसे स्टडी करेंगे, एनालिसिस करेंगे, और उस रिस्क को स्टॉप करने के लिए या उससे उभर कर आएंगे, वो सोचना चाहिए। Another, we have to see about the capital expenditure, that is decision. My dear students, when you are discussing about this thing, the capital expenditure decision, it should be irreversible nature must be होना चाहिए, reversible नहीं होना चाहिए, irreversible। मैंने पहले बोल चुका हूं, एक बार इन्वेस्टमेंट कर लिया वो नहीं आ पाएगा। उससे हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं, इनकम जनरेट कर सकते हैं, मतलब वो अगेन इट विल नॉट कम टू आवर पॉकेट व्हाट वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड। आफ्टर लॉन्गिंग पीरियड्स और आफ्टर रनिंग ऑफ द बिजनेस वी कैन जनरेट मोर एंड मोर इनकम फ्रॉम दैट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट। इन्वेस्टमेंट से इनकम ला सकते हैं, इनकम से इन्वेस्टमेंट से रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकते हैं, और जो इन्वेस्टमेंट किया उसको वही दोबारा जो प्लांट या मशीन जो भी खरीदा उसे फिर से हम फिर नया नहीं ला पाएंगे। जितना भी खर्चा हुआ वो जाएगा। हम कोशिश करेंगे कितना भी रिस्क क्यों ना हो हम उठाएंगे, और वहीं से हमें क्या करेंगे, दैट इज जितना प्रॉफिट होगा उससे हम लाना चाहिए। And capital is also the profitable concern. It's also related to the profitable concern. Okay, it is related to the profitable concern. Now, what I am writing here, the points, because these are the very, very essentials what we have to, that is carry on the investment. Because against the capital budgeting we require, because we have to determine either the where we have invested these things, it is profitable or not. If we will not fetch any profit, then why will investment? So before we have to say, that is the before investment we have to plan, that is the budgeting, that is the budgeting। हमें पहले से ही प्लानिंग करना चाहिए, बजट करना चाहिए, हमें कुछ मिलेगा या नहीं। ओके, सो प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होगा तो क्यों हम इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे, वो सोचना चाहिए। ओके, एंड अनदर इट इज दैट इज टू अवॉइड द दैट इज ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट और अंडर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फिक्स्ड एसेट। व्हाट हैपेंड, दैट इज अवॉइड ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट और अंडर इन्वेस्टमेंट। 1920 नहीं होना चाहिए या 1921 नहीं होना चाहिए, 1% कम नहीं होना चाहिए, 1% ज्यादा होना चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए। हमें जितना भी कैपिटल बजटिंग कर रहे हैं उसे वी हैव टू सी इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन 1 rupee और इट शुड नॉट बी मोर देन व्हाट और लेस देन 1 rupee। व्हाई? ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट करने से मतलब क्या? ठीक है, कोई बोलेगा क्या, मैं 10 रुपए के बदले में 20 रुपए में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर लिया, क्या फर्क जाता है? अरे भाई 10 रुपया तुम्हें चाहिए अभी, 20 रुपए करने की जरूरत नहीं है, 10 रुपए अपने पास रखो, तो कि बाद में हमें जब पैसा, अगर इफ यू रिकॉर्ड एनी कैपिटल देयर यू हैव टू इन्वेस्टमेंट अगेन, but at the time we predicted that, we have calculated that we require 10 rupees, we should invest 10 rupees, it is a reliable and justification amount, then no need to invest another 10 rupees. Over investment करने से मतलब blocking of the capital, हमें ब्लॉकेज नहीं करना चाहिए, कैपिटल अपने पास रखना चाहिए कुछ, that is because we know that is when we are discussing about the capital in the first unit, we have record, that is we have that is fixed capital and the working capital. अगर फिक्स्ड कैपिटल में डाल देंगे, वर्किंग कैसे करेंगे? बाहर से पैसा लाना पड़ेगा, ओवर लायबिलिटी विल बी मोर। सो हमें ये सोचना चाहिए ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए, और फिर भी अंडर इन्वेस्टमेंट भी नहीं होना चाहिए। अंडर इन्वेस्टमेंट भी ये रॉन्ग फ्रूटफुल है, कमी नहीं होना चाहिए, जितना भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है दैट इज वहीं तक हमें जाना चाहिए। ओवर इन्वेस्टमेंट करने से दैट इज इट विल बी द व्हाट हैपेंड, ब्लॉकेज ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट, वेयर एज अंडर इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब दैट इज हमें there is a disturbance in the flow of the work, and that is the what starting of our organization, और that is the काम में भी रुकावट आ सकता है, या हमें प्रोडक्शन या जो भी कुछ भी रिलेटेड होता है कंपनी में, वो सभी भी प्रॉब्लम अरेंज हो सकता है, बिकॉज इनसफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल। पास में पैसा रखो, बिजनेस में डालने से पहले अपने पास पैसा रखना जरूरत है। होल अमाउंट ज्यादा बिजनेस में डालना नहीं चाहिए या कम भी होना नहीं चाहिए, वो हमें एस्टिमेट करना चाहिए। वो ही फाइनेंशियल द कैपिटल पॉलिसी हमें सिखाता है, दैट इज हाउ टू एस्टिमेट द प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट वेयर वी शुड पुट इट। ओके, सो दैट इज वन थिंग। अनदर, another point, that is what happened, investment decisions taken by individual concern to that of the national importance. देखो बेटा, हमें यहाँ पे जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन करते हैं इंडिविजुअली करना पड़ता है, और दैट इंडिविजुअल कंसर्न जो कि इंडिविजुअल कंपनी या इंडिविजुअल पर्सन those are investing, it is only for taking the importance of the nation. क्यों? एक पर्सन, धीरूभाई अंबानी या कोई भी रिलायंस कंपनी या कोई भी टाटा अंबानी जो भी होते हैं, ये खुद इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, पैसा वहां पे फैक्ट्री बिल्टअप करते हैं, वहां पे नेशनल इंपोर्टेंस के लिए। क्यों? जो बेकारी होता है वहां पे जॉब क्रिएटेड करते हैं, नेचुरल रिसोर्स को अच्छी तरह यूटिलाइज करते हैं, और टैक्स भी देते हैं गवर्नमेंट को। गवर्नमेंट इज आल्सो टेकिंग सम मनी फ्रॉम देयर, डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली दे हैव द व्हाट, दैट इज द इंडिविजुअल प्रॉफिट इज देयर, इंडिविजुअल दैट इज द wealth maximization, profit maximization is also their main objective is there, but side by side they are also taking the importance of the national. Okay, they are generating the employees, they are creating GDP, They are also what happened. Nation's economic that is development is also depend upon the factory or the plant or industry. जितना इंडस्ट्री ज्यादा होगा उसका नेशनल का इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट वो उतना ही होगा. क्यों ऐसा होता है? अगर ठीक राइट टाइम पे राइट इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं कर पाएंगे या राइट डिसीजन नहीं ले पाएंगे, दैट इज वी शुड नॉट व्हाट हैपन टेक द नेशनल इंपॉर्टेंस. दैट इज वन अनदर पॉइंट इट इज हियर. एंड अनदर वी हैव टू सी दैट इज व्हाट हैपन द कैश फ्लोज. क्लियर? कैश फ्लोज determine the true profit of the organization बेटा देखो कैश फ्लो मैंने ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट यूनिट पे कुछ हिट्स दिया हूं मैंने और कुछ इसके ऊपर डिस्कस भी किया है. कैश आउटफ्लो, कैश इनफ्लो, दीज आर द टू थिंग्स. हमें वैसे जनरेट करना है कितना आउटफ्लो होता है कैश, कितना कैश गया और कितना कैश आया, उनसे डिफरेंस को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. इधर इट इज ए डिटरमाइनिंग और ब्रिंगिंग द ट्रू प्रॉफिट टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और नॉट. ओके, दैट यू हैव टू कीप इट इन द माइंड. कैश इनफ्लो पे भी कैश इन्वेस्टमेंट मतलब कैश मैनेजमेंट भी करना चाहिए. कैश मैनेजमेंट से ही हमें पता चल जाएगा कितना कैश आउटफ्लो हुआ है, कितना इनफ्लो हुआ है और कितना एक्सेस या डेफिसिट है, उससे प्रॉफिट या लॉस भी डिटरमाइन कर सके. और ज्यादा से ज्यादा कंपनी प्रॉफिट को ही ज्यादा देखते हैं और हमें कैश फ्लो से बाय कैपिटल budgeting we can determine the cash flow, and from the cash flow we can determine the what is the true profit of the organization. Okay, and another it is what happened provides an objective and unambiguous way of separating of good project from bad project. See, it is one of the very important point. Capital budgeting provides a objectives. हमें सही क्या गलत क्या, कौन सा अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है, कहां पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहिए, कौन सा गलत प्रोजेक्ट है, बैड प्रोजेक्ट है, उससे हमें डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. उससे हमें पता चलता है कि जो कि हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट किया वो नाकाम ना होना चाहिए. हमें गलत जगह पे इन्वेस्टमेंट किया ये बाद में सोचना नहीं पड़ता है. Whatever may be, we have to do or we have to keep in the mind of the investment decision, that is only by the capital budget. Okay, so this is the what happened provides the objective and the unambiguous separating, that is avoiding the goods from the bad project, that we have to say it. And another, it is also ranking the projects, highlighting the projects in according to the inflow, according to the as per the generating income or revenue, we can rate the project. We can rate the project. Yes, तुम्हारा अगर पास तुम अगर 2-3 बिजनेस कर रहे हो, कौन से बिजनेस में अच्छा इनकम आ रहा है उसको रेटिंग ज्यादा दोगे और जो नहीं आता है उसे उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए. एंड हमें और भी चूज करना चाहिए दैट इज प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, और वी हैव टू सी दैट इज द मैक्सिमाइजेस द शेयर होल्डर्स wealth, that is only with the help of the capital budgeting. My dear students, this is the what happened, that is about the what, that is what we have discussed, that is the today's topic, that is why we need capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is very essential, without capital budgeting, no one can forecast the capital, what the investment, where the investment, either the investment is good or not, okay, either that is they will control over the investment or not, that is also reflecting. They have also saying that is the what important things about that of the profit maximization of the organizations, as well as the wealth maximization of the organizations, shareholders, okay, that we have to see, okay. And another things we can say that is the it is also playing a important role for the nation's development, okay, because whatever may be, it is highly focusing to that of the national growth, okay. We cannot ignore these things that we know very well. So my dear students, today's topic, that is what happened, we have discussed, that is the why we need the capital budgeting, or the investment, that is the importance and the need of the capital budgeting, okay. And tomorrow we will discuss, that is the next class we will discuss about, that is the capital budgeting process and other things, okay. Thank you, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe.